So what are connectors? Or like basically connectors, if we go with respect to the term, then in a logical way or a basic way, we can think like connectors are something which connects different services, right? Yeah, so you are right. In context of Dataproc, connectors refers to software components, or we can say the plugins that enable seamless integration with external services or external data sources, storage systems, or data processing frameworks, right? So there are different types of connectors. The first one is storage connector, which actually allow Dataproc clusters to read from and write to external storage systems such as GCS, like Google Cloud Storage, yeah, right? Or we can say GCS bucket or Hadoop distributed file system, Amazon S3 as your storage. So we can actually connect with different types of external data sources or storage management systems, right? The second one is database connector. So for example, NoSQL databases or Dataproc clusters or relational databases, right? We can connect to with them using these connectors. We can use it for streaming connectors. Like it also have, if we talk about the third type, then it is streaming connectors, which enable Dataproc clusters to ingest real-time data streams from streaming platforms such as Kafka or GCP PubSub. Like, what is streaming data? Which actually takes the real-time data from some application and store it in a topic, and from that topic we can take the data in a form from using subscription, right? Subscription ID. We have data processing framework connectors, we have workflow orchestration connectors also. So I hope you got the basic knowledge of what are connectors in Dataproc and how they can benefit in making applications or in connecting applications or integrating applications with some external data sources, right?